In this video, we'll go over retrieving a log file. There may be instances where the tech support agent requires a log file from the printer as part of the troubleshooting process. There are two methods that you can use to retrieve this data. The first is directly at the printer using a USB thumb drive, and the second is via a PC. It is best to use a FAT32 formatted USB flash drive. To retrieve the data, you'll insert the USB drive into the printer in the USB insertion slot located at the front of the printer panel. Press Menu, then scroll down to Maintenance and press OK. Scroll to Log Copy to USB and press OK. A status bar will come up on the printer, and the green print button will begin to flash. During this time, please do not turn off the printer or remove the USB drive. Removing the drive may damage it. When the print button stops blinking, you'll hear an audible pong letting you know the file is finished being copied. You can now use the USB drive on a computer to retrieve the file. The destination of the file will end in .log. Please send this file to the service staff that are requesting it. The second way to retrieve the log data from the printer is to connect a PC directly to the printer with a USB cable. On the PC with the driver installed, you can go to All Programs in the Start menu and select Brother GTX 4 Tools. From the subfolder, select GTX 4 Maintenance. This will launch the maintenance program. In this window, select the printer from the drop-down box you wish to retrieve the log file from. Now click the Log Acquisition Radio button, then click Next. Next, you'll need to choose where to save the log file to. We recommend saving it to your desktop for easy location. Click the Next button. The retrieval process will begin. Note the file populated here on the desktop. The process is not completed until the status bar is finished. You may now close the tool and send the file to the support agent requesting it. If you need additional support, please fill out our web form at brotherdtg.com/help for further assistance.